What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am right here where I left off, looking at the brand new tree skirts. They are brand new. We've never seen any tree skirts like this here before in Dollar Tree. These are brand new for Christmas 2021. Definitely check out my last two videos. I've been working through this entire section. We've looked at everything from candy to cookie storage to DIY items, gift bags and tags, just so many things. So you guys definitely check out those last two videos if you want to see more Christmas items. We have new ornaments. Every year we have a few new ornaments. So let's see if we can find just a couple more. Every year we have a little bit more to choose from. Like this one, this is brand new. The hats, I believe, are brand new this year. This one is also brand new. And these are also available in the sister store, Family Dollar, or maybe you have a Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store. These are also available there. These little ones, that's the first place I saw those for the year. I really like this as well. Noel, Peace, we have Joy. This one might be new, or maybe it came out last year. I've been filming Christmas ornament videos and Christmas videos for some years now, you guys, so I try to pay attention to the new items, at least what's new in my stores. Ooh, these are cute, the little monogrammed ornaments. Nice. Okay, let's keep moving. And don't forget about all the Christmas poinsettias and the Christmas picks. And then of course, we have the shatterproof packs of ornaments. These are packs of 5. These are packs of 7. Look at this down here, you guys. Packs of 15. 15 ornaments in a tube. Look at that. And then we even have tiny ones, 16 in a pack of the super little ones for your mini trees. There's a lot to choose from if you guys need shatterproof. These ones are really pretty. We also have licensed ornaments and jumbo ornaments and the Christmas trees, the white Christmas trees. Been seeing people on TikTok do crafts with the $1 trees. They might add 2 trees together and make it even fluffier. Let's look at the stockings. Don't forget about the little gnomes. We have the nutcrackers. We have the stocking holders. And here are some of the stockings that we have. This is a new one this year. We have vase filler. We even have Christmas foil balloons. Christmas foil balloons, those are definitely new. DIY stockings, make your own hats. We have the pet stockings as well. Even more over here. Oh my gosh, you guys, we even have the gnome scarves. The buffalo check scarves and the poinsettia scarves. I really love that they added the super cute buffalo check and checkers to the gnomes little hats. Those are really cute. And this is actually a scarf, you guys. Look at that. And it's really silky. And we have some flannel back tablecloths. And then over here we have some door covers, treat sacks. We have some window clings. These are so cute. I got the gnome one. Let's see. See if I can get the one that I got. Oh, we have pet ones as well. I didn't see it. I'm gonna keep moving, you guys. I'm gonna keep moving and show you guys more. Okay. We also have some brand new wax melts. We have balsam pine. And we have Cinemagic. And then we have coconut eggnog and mulled wine. Ooh, what are these? Dear Santa, Define Good. Those are cute. Another mulled wine. Is this one the same? That one was a little bit of a different color. The cute trinket trays. Keep a lookout for the buffalo check. There's another print in black and white. That's really, really cute. And it looks like we have a full end cap of even more of the dollar mugs. This is really nice for everyone in your life that you want to give a little something to. I know it can get expensive, but you can get a nice mug, you know, maybe put a little gift card in it or some candy or some makeup or something little just to show that you're thinking about that person. Good teacher gifts. I know teachers probably have a lot of mugs though. We also have napkins. 24 count of the little napkins and 20 count of the big napkins. We also have the paper plates and we have table runners in a couple colors. I've been waiting to go down this section, you guys. I wanted to get through some of the Christmas items. And now I'm here on one of my most favorite aisles. And I'm wearing a hard candy color. So if you guys see these, I'm actually wearing this color right here. I really like it. This is the hard candy brand. I know it doesn't say that, but these are still here and they would make excellent stocking stuffers. I think this is flower. Yep, this is a flower polish. Definitely worth more than $1. And these would be great stocking stuffers as well. You usually need about 2 or 3 coats, but the colors are so cute. And the colors that they stick together in the box are always really complimentary. These would make really cute stocking stuffers as well. These too. Ooh, what do we have here? What's this? Sally Hansen big crackle top coat. No way, you guys. Is crackle polish back again? I used to have crackle polish years ago when it first came out. No way. The thing I like about crackle polish is it's imperfectly perfect, you know? And it's really fun to watch. You just put it on and watch it crackle. I think I want to get a couple of these. All my crackle polishes that I had from years ago, they're all dried up. Okay, now here's where we have to take our time. And I'm looking down and I'm already at 9 minutes, you guys. When you're having fun in Dollar Tree, the time just zooms by. Ooh, these are new. We'll look at just a couple new items and then I'll start the next video. This is the cashmere silk hard candy. What? Is this a lippy? I think it's a lippy. Pretty sure it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are here. Look how pretty that is. The glitterazzi, look at that lippy. And then we have the lip gloss down here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I miss wearing lipstick and lip gloss and stuff so much. I really miss it. We also have the Mataholic kits. All of these would be so excellent for stocking stuffers. You guys, I am seeing even more items out the corner of my eye, so definitely come back to my very next video. We're gonna start right here where I left off with more new makeup items and more new name brand makeup items. So you guys definitely watch my Dollar Tree playlist so you can see everything I filmed before this. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're having a good time, definitely join the family and hit notifications for all videos. And make sure your notifications are turned on your phone for YouTube. That way you don't miss a single video. But all right, guys, we have so much more to look at, so join me in my next video. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.